Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Both houses of parliament mark respect to late Lata Mangeshkar witness and are adjournment. Intensified mission Intradhanush 4.0 launch both at the centre and district levels. Lamprangla elected new chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. And NCP joins BJP and UDP in demanding independent probe into allegations of illegal coal mining. The news in detail. As a mark of respect to legendary singer and former member of the House, Lata Mangeshkar, who passed away yesterday, both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, were adjourned for an hour each today. Both houses also paid tribute to Lata Mangeshkar by observing silence. Making an obituary reference, Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu said the nation has lost a legendary singer and her passing away created an irreparable void in the world of music. He described her as a compassionate human being and a towering personality in the field of Indian music and film industry.
I refer with profound sorrow to passing away of Ms. Lata Mangeshkar, the legendary playback singer and a former member of this House, on the 6th of February 2022 at the age of 92 years. In the passing away of Lata Mangeshkar ji, the country has lost a legendary playback singer, a compassionate human being, and a towering personality in the world of Indian music and film industry. Her passing away indeed marks an end of an era and has created an irreparable void in the world of
Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya launched the Intensified Mission Intradhanush 4.0 virtually in New Delhi today in the presence of health officials of states and union territories. In Meghalaya, the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, East Khasi Hills District, launched a District Intensified Mission Intradhanush 4.0 at the Community Hall Soring Khamneng, East Khasi Hills. Local MLA Pinyat Singh Aim attended the program as chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. P. Manners, State Immunization Officer, Meghalaya, informed that the Government of India had identified East Khasi Hills, East Garo Hills and West Garo Hills as districts where Intensified Mission Intradhanush 4.0 needs to be launched because of the low turnout in vaccination drives among pregnant mothers and children. It may be mentioned that the Intensified Mission Intradhanush 4.0 will be launched in 3 rounds, that is 7th February lasting 1 whole week, 7th March for 1 whole week and 4th April again for another whole week. Mauplang Dengye MDC Lamprangla was elected unopposed as the new chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC today. The election of Bla as a new chairman was announced by the Deputy Chairman Alvin K. Saukme during a one-day special session. The new chairman was accompanied by Council CEM Tita Starwell Khan, leader of opposition Pinchangan N's Aim and former chairman Pinyat Singh's Aim to his chair. It may be mentioned that the opposition Congress had decided not to contest the election. Earlier, Aim, who is also the NPP MDC from Sorinkham, had resigned from the chairman post to pave way for Bla.
To strengthen the rules and regulation of this council, especially and to follow up those different bills that have been passed by the council, which is pending with the government at the same time at the office of the governor.
KHADC CEM Titus Khan, along with other MLAs, today met Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to discuss the proposed amendment to the 6th schedule. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Titus Khan said that the Chief Minister has given clarity that the word Village Council would be included in the 6th schedule along with the word Dorbashnong and would not replace the latter. The CEM has also defended the KHADC decision of not granting NOC for the proposed Titilia-Birnihat railway line. He explained that various stakeholders like Rangbashnong, Rad, etc. are not willing to part with their land for the project. He, however, said that the council would continue to engage with the stakeholders.
Given a clarification that in the proposed amendment approved by the cabinet, the word village council is also being included with the word village durbar as applicable. When we are giving any consent, we always seek the consent of the local durbar. That means the traditional heads are the supreme. They are the one. If they are not willing to give the consent, how we will give the consent?
The National Congress Party has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party and the United Democratic Party All Alliance in the National People's Party-led MDA coalition in demanding an independent probe into the allegations of illegal coal mining and transportation in the state. NCP State President Saling Sangma said it would be much better if an independent agency conducts the probe rather than the NGT. Recalling that the state government has maintained that the NGT, which is an independent body, is monitoring coal mining, Sangma said the NGT can go on monitoring accordingly and an independent agency can conduct the probe side by side.
Heading in this particular, right now, as stated by the UDP and then BJP, they are pushing for the independent inquiry. Whatever the government is telling, that NGT is there. If there could have been another independent agency, that would have been much better. Just to let NGT, go as a spare heading in this particular investigation. Let other come along also, so that they will know the truth. Just to
Meghalaya reported 62 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours against 183 recoveries. 2 deaths have also been reported in the last 24 hours. India reported a total of 83,876 new cases in the last 24 hours. India's active caseload currently stands at 11,08,938. The recovery rate is currently at 96.19%. And now the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was recorded at 11.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 2.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 71% and in the evening it had risen to 77%. Forecast: light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Both houses of parliament mark respect to late Lata Mangeshkar, witness an hour adjournment. Intensified mission Indradhanush 4.0 launched both at the centre and district levels. Lamprangla elected new chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC. And NCP joins BJP and UDP in demanding independent probe into allegations of illegal coal mining. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.